Welcome, everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of digital privacy in 2024, uncovering the crucial strategies to safeguard your online identity in an ever-changing digital environment. Step 1. Encryption technologies. In 2024, witness the advanced encryption methods fortifying our digital communications, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure and confidential. No more traditional passwords. Join us as we explore the rise of biometric authentication, where your unique physical traits become the key to unlocking your digital world, providing an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Navigating the legal landscape. 2024 witnesses the strengthening of privacy legislation globally. Learn about the regulatory frameworks and laws that empower individuals to take control of their personal data. In the age of digital connectivity, protecting your online identity is crucial. Like, subscribe, and stay informed for more insights into securing your digital presence. Until next time, stay vigilant and safe in the digital realm.